Hey guys, this is Caleb at Wood Prairie. The ground is warmed up, so it's time to start planting our organic seed potatoes. I'm hooking up the planter right now to our Oliver 1750 tractor, and we're going to get it ready and get all the other attachments and mid-mount and fertilizers that we spread on the potatoes mounted up to it, and we'll show you that right here. So the chisel plow teeth that we're putting on the mid-mount of the tractor will go in front of the planter and make a furrow for the seed piece to lay in nice, soft, and fluffed up soil. We'll also put in a liquid drench mix of organic seed inoculants to create the perfect environment for the seed piece to thrive.
What Peter and Justin are doing here is applying another recipe of organic seed inoculants to seed tubers that we've warmed up at 70 to 75 degrees for a week, so they're sprouting. And this is spraying. We're getting 100% coverage on the surface. This is getting the seed tubers off to a good start for growing. So over the years, we've come up with a pretty long list of different organic seed inoculants that we like to use. And what we're trying to do is to give the seed piece the best chance to set roots in healthy soil, set a high number of tubers, and support excellent plant growth. And you can do a lot of good by getting that soil fine-tuned what you're planting into. So here Justin is adding ingredients, and all of the ingredients we use, because we're a certified organic farm, all of the ingredients have to be approved, and they're all approved by the USDA National Organic Program. And it's important at this time to make sure that those seed tubers are sprouting so that they're actually growing to be able to benefit the most from these seed inoculants. So we put them into solution, we pour them into a bucket that has a pump, and the pump is applying it through a couple of spray nozzles, and it coats 100% of the surface of the seed tubers. Today we're going to start planting our crop of organic certified seed potatoes. First thing that we need to do after we get the disking to get the ground ready is to cut a line with flags so that we start out with the first line straight. When you're planting, you want to keep the tractor positioned as straight as you can, and if you do a good job, it makes it easier for the rest of the year. When you're cultivating or spraying foliar fertility on, anything you're doing, if you got straight rows, you're going to be more efficient, you're going to damage the hills less, so straight is good, and starting out straight is way better. than starting out crooked. So what I did, these rows are a little bit over 1,000 feet long, and I walked laying out a blue flag, and when I did it, I looked at a tree on the far line and then focused on that entirely. I didn't look at anything between here and there. And it's the same way when you're going to start plowing a field. You look at an object at the far end of the field, and that's all you look at. You don't look at anything in between, and you just focus on that. And that's how you end up going straight. So I put in a row of flags going down, and then when I'm coming back, I can see, like, you know, typically every fifth flag or so is off by 6 inches one way or the other, and I'd move that over so that after I make a round trip, all the flags are basically in as straight a line as we need to farm with. Starting out with a straight line, it's good for everybody.
Now that everybody's out in the field, we've got all the equipment ready, we're ready to start planting our potatoes. Tune in next week for part 2.
This is Jim at Wood Prairie Family Farm. We'll see you next time.